Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. First of all, let's make sure that we have internet connection, and let's open the pre-installed Microsoft Edge web browser. Go to any search engine of your preference. I'm gonna be using Google because I think it's the easiest way to find Google Chrome, but it's not be much harder on using any other search engine. So let's search for Chrome browser and find it on the official google.com/Chrome website. Open the website, scroll a bit down, and you will find the giant button in the middle of the page. Click on it, then run the setup file, click yes, and after that you can close your web browser and just wait until the Chrome is downloaded and installed. Once the browser is installed, let's decide whether we want to sign in immediately into the Google account or stay signed out for now. And if you want to set Google Chrome as your default browser, you have to click the respective icon at the bottom, or just skip this step as well. And right now you're ready to start using your brand new Google Chrome web browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.